In the realm of natural remedies, few spices hold as much historical and medicinal significance as cardamom. This aromatic spice, often referred to as the Queen of Spices, has been cherished for centuries in traditional medicine and culinary practices. Incorporating just 2 cardamom pods into your daily routine can yield profound health benefits. Here are the top 5 advantages of making this simple habit a part of your lifestyle. 1. Aids digestion and prevents gastric issues. Cardamom is widely recognized for its digestive benefits. It stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, which enhances food breakdown and nutrient absorption. Its carminative properties help prevent bloating, indigestion, and acidity. Regular consumption can also provide relief from nausea and prevent constipation, making it an excellent natural remedy for gastrointestinal discomfort. 2. Enhances oral health and freshens breath. One of the most well-known traditional uses of cardamom is its ability to freshen breath. It contains antimicrobial compounds that combat oral bacteria, reducing bad breath, cavities, and gum infections. Chewing 2 cardamom pods daily can serve as a natural alternative to synthetic breath fresheners while also promoting overall oral hygiene. 3. Supports heart health. Cardamom contributes to cardiovascular wellness by helping to regulate blood pressure and improve circulation. Its high levels of antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress, which can lower the risk of heart disease. The spice has also been found to assist in controlling cholesterol levels and maintaining the health of blood vessels, ensuring a well-functioning circulatory system. 4. Boosts metabolism and aids weight management. For those looking to maintain a healthy weight, cardamom can be a beneficial addition to their diet. It acts as a natural metabolic booster, enhancing fat-burning processes within the body. Additionally, it helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing cravings and preventing sudden spikes and crashes in energy levels. This makes it a useful aid in managing weight and improving overall metabolic health. 5. Strengthens immunity and fights infections. Cardamom is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that strengthen the immune system. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties help the body fight off infections, colds, and flu. Regular consumption can enhance the body's defense mechanisms, making you more resilient against seasonal illnesses and common bacterial infections. Incorporating 2 cardamom pods into your daily routine is a small yet powerful step toward better health. Whether consumed raw, infused in tea, or added to meals, this spice offers a wealth of benefits that contribute to overall well-being. By embracing this simple practice, you can enjoy a healthier digestive system, improved oral health, a stronger heart, a more efficient metabolism, and a fortified immune system.